والذين جاهدوا فينا لنهدينهم سبلنا وإن الله لمع المحسنين صدق الله العظيم. I must be grateful, indebted to all of you as I did yesterday. Goal setting. Goal setting means to fix, to determine our direction. So direction is already set by our Creator, by our Lord, as He has announced in many chapters of the glorious Quran, especially Surah Al-Mu'minun, ayah number 115. أَفَحَسِبْتُمْ أَنَّمَا خَلَقْنَاكُمْ عَبَثًا وَأَنَّكُمْ إِلَيْنَا لَا تُرْجَعُونَ. Did you then think that we have created you in jest, useless, and you won't be brought back to us? So the goal is set that we are for our Lord and we will go back to Him. He has given the goals. The goal is to worship Him and to serve His creature. To serve His creature. But for serving the creatures, we have a lot of fields, a lot of dimensions. You must have gone through the books which are taught in 9th standard, in commerce especially. So in commerce books it is written that earlier, because the mankind, their numbers were less. Mankind started by 1, then by 2, then they increased. In the beginning, the needs of mankind, the fields of services were less. But as they grew, the needs also became the same. Today, we have thousands of fields by which we can serve the creature of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, especially mankind. The goal is to serve the creature. मकसद अल्लाह ने, हमारे पैदा करने वाले ने तय कर दिया हमारा कि हमें अल्लाह की मखलूक, सिर्फ इंसान ही नहीं, जानवर, एनिमल, और एनिमल में कोई नेशनल एनिमल ही नहीं, बल्कि डॉग, डंकी, मंकी और दूसरे जो क्रीचर्स हैं, सबको अपनी सर्विस देना, ये हमारा गोल है. अब एक आदमी हर काइंड ऑफ सर्विस को नहीं दे सकता. A man can't be perfect of so many domains and fields. This is against the nature. Then out of different fields of service, as per our potential, we have to set that by which field we are going to render our services at the highest level, that we should test and set.